Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix cannot set up the recorder now. Please try again later in WhatsApp. If you're using any WhatsApp and you're having this type issue that you cannot set up the recorder now, please try again later. So let's see how can you fix the issue. So the very first, you have to double check your network connection because sometimes these type errors might help with the poor network connection. So you have to make sure that you have a stable and strongest network connection, or you can try to enable and disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will make a quick refresh with your network settings. And after doing that, you just have to go back from here and then you can open your app store and try to update your WhatsApp. So open the app store here, go for search, and you just have to search for WhatsApp, and you can try to update your WhatsApp app from here. If you find any pending update, try to update that. And once you have updated your WhatsApp, it will most fix your issue. Or if this doesn't work for you, so you have to open your settings app, go for apps, then go for WhatsApp from here. And you just have to make sure that you have allowed all the permissions. So especially you have to allow microphone permission from here. So enable microphone for your WhatsApp, and after that you have to allow other permissions. And once you have done, you just have to go back and you have to check if your issue has been fixed or not, or if you're still having the same issues. You have to go for general, go for iPhone storage, go for WhatsApp, and try to offload your app. Or in your Android, you can try to uninstall app and then reinstall app. So try to offload app and then select reinstall app from here, and it will completely reinstall the app on your iPhone or your Android. So if there will be any bug with your WhatsApp apps, it will be fixed in this step. And after that, if you're still having the same issues, so you can try to make a force restart or restart your device. So you just have to make a so you have to quickly press on the volume up and then volume down, then press and hold the power button, wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. So let's try this. You have to quickly press and raise your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, you have to release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. And once your phone has been restarted, it will fix the issues if there's been glitch with your phone or your device using an iPhone or Android. So it will be fixed in this step and you will not face the same issue again. So your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.